Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tulip muffin liners. First, gather your materials: parchment paper, a pair of scissors, and a standard 12-cup muffin tin. You will need to cut your parchment paper into 9-inch by 9-inch squares. It is also helpful to have your muffin batter ready to go before you start forming the liners. This simple method ensures perfect results every time. Now, take one of your 9-inch parchment squares and fold it in half, then fold it in half again to create a smaller square. Gently place this folded paper into one of the muffin cups. Using your fingers, carefully press the paper down into the bottom and firmly against the sides of the cup. This creates a solid base for your liner. Next, carefully remove the paper from the muffin cup and unfold it. You will see crease lines. Use your scissors to trim off the very tips of the 4 corners, just a small snip. Now, refold the paper along the original creases and place it back into the muffin cup. The trimmed edges will naturally fan out, creating that beautiful tulip shape. With your tulip liners perfectly formed, it is time to add your muffin batter. Fill each liner approximately 2/3 full to allow for proper rising. Then, bake your muffins according to your favorite recipe's instructions. Once baked, these homemade tulip liners make your muffins look professional and are incredibly easy to remove, ensuring a delightful treat every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.